Are you looking for a way to earn money online without investment? With lots of people stuck at home these days, many people are looking for ways to earn money from home without any investment. From college students to stay at home spouses, housemakers, retirees, stay at home mom, even businessmen and women who want to do more things in life on the other side. In fact, there are a number of ways that you can earn money online without investing a single penny, single cent, single dollar. This way, you don't have to worry about any financial consequences of risking your money. Number one, become an insurance pubs. One of the ways to make money online with zero investment is becoming an insurance sales of person. Point of sales person. A point of sale person is an insurance agent who work with an insurance company to sell specific insurance products. A point of sales agent will help you will help customer to choose the right insurance policy for them as per their personal need. And when they retire, the only requirement to become an insurance agent, you must be 18 years and above, and you should have completed your at least first elementary schools, even though you didn't, like, at least your high school should be completed. Following this, all you have to do is complete the 15-hour compulsory training offered by the general life insurance license. Then how much can you earn? There are a lot of scope so in selling different type of policy, and your income will depend on the number of policies you are able to sell. The more policy you sell, the faster you earn money. Number two, through freelancing. Freelance work is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and you do not need any investment to start this work. All you need to do is identify a few key portal and register yourself as a freelancer. Then you need to market your skills to potential clients by sharing some sample work. Are there any requirements? If you are good at writing, programming, editing, designing, or a number of other skills, then you can make money online by becoming a freelancer. These days, many businesses are increasingly handing out smaller tasks to freelancers. How much can you earn based on the kind of work you offer? You can easily find high paying gigs as a freelancer. Some of the top freelancing websites you can register include Freelance Nigeria, Freelance USA, Freelance India, 99 Designs, Upwork, Truelancer, Fiverr. Number three, selling homemade items. There is another way that you can easily make money at home with no money investment. All you need to do is you need raw material for the products like cooking ingredients, craft supply. These include products like baked food, healthy snacks, scented candles, wall hanging, table mats, and decor items. Are there any requirements? All you have to do is gain the skill of arts and crafts or cooking. It is quite simple to sell your homemade products online. How much can you earn? Depending on the products you sell, your marketing skill, and your selling partner sites, you can even set your product at a high price. Once you do that, you will make money and sell, or just register yourself on a website like Amazon, Flipstar, Agio, Jumia, Gigi, Instagram, Facebook, and the rest. Also, these sites will amplify your products and ensure that they are well delivered to the customer on the other hand, and you can sell directly to the customer through social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, and also a secondary delivery services. Number four, opt for data entry jobs. Data entry is another option for those who are looking for an online job without any investment. If you're looking to work from home as a student looking for part-time job and flexibility, this can be a good option. There are there any requirements? All you need for such job is a computer, knowledge of Excel and Microsoft tools, an eye for accuracy, and then being able to work under deadlines. How much will you earn? Data entry is good. You can even earn up to $50 per hour. That is about 20,000 naira per hour. After registering at a trusted website, you can accept data entry jobs from various companies worldwide. Just be sure to check their legitimacy before transferring your account details. Then they will send an email or link to the data source given to you and instruction about what to do. So here are some websites that you can check when you're looking for data entry job: Freelancer, Guru, Juno Data Solution, Axion Data Entry, Data Plus. Now for number 5, test app and websites before they go live. Another simple way to make money online without any investment is by testing out apps and websites. Since companies and app developers don't want their users to get confused by their apps and websites, they hire users to do what is called beta testing. Essentially, they test out their sites or apps and reports their user experience or identify any bug and problem before they go live in public. Are there any requirements? To do this, you don't need any special knowledge. So this is good for those who are looking to work from home or part-time. How much can you earn? Depending on how long and how complex the beta testing process is and your experience with beta testing, you can earn even up to $500. Some of the sites that you can check out include beta testing, user testing, Start Up Lift, Test Up, Try My UI. So what are the things that you should keep in mind when looking for jobs online? However, it can be difficult to find easy and legitimate ways to make money online. But here are the few ones that I have been able to list for you. And internet is full of fake agencies, scam, fraud, and you have to be very, very careful, especially with your money, especially the ones that it's involving involvement, or if you want to learn a skill or an handwork from someone you have not met before, you still have to be very careful. There are scammers both online and offline. So be careful of any site that asks you for a registration fee before providing work or ask you for your personal information. Look out for websites that take advantage of your work skill but will not pay you enough as compensation. Also, a great way to avoid such fraudulent websites and companies is to do research. Any site that thoroughly and read up on the reviews and comment that people have left about it. Always remember to read the contracts that they offer you before you join them, before signing up. Just by utilizing your time better and becoming more productive, you can make just a little side money at home without absolutely no investment. This way to earn money from home online are time friendly, and so they are good option for students, homemakers, retirees, even if you have already own a job.